Factory Cooperage, Grade 1 heritage reimagined as modern townhouses at the Royal William Yard. Crafted by Poppy Developments, this limited collection pairs character architecture with contemporary comfort. Inside, generous, light-filled spaces celebrate original stone and ironwork. Premium kitchens and bathrooms, underfloor heating and thoughtful storage create a place ready to move into or let. Layouts suit modern life. Open-plan living anchored by double-height volumes, flexible mezzanines for work or sleep, and well-considered storage. Royal William Yard is a living neighbourhood. Cafes and restaurants, galleries and events, the marina and coastal path, all on your doorstep. If you'd like to arrange a private viewing, chat to us or access our brochure, we'd be delighted to help. It's the everyday convenience and distinctive character that attract visitors and residents alike. Materials are durable and refined, selected for longevity, whether you're building a portfolio or choosing a permanent address. Factory Cooperage gives you options without compromising on quality. For investors, there's a long 999-year lease and a professional warranty, with parking and a proven waterfront location that supports year-round demand across short, mid and long-term lets. On Plymouth's historic waterfront, a rare opportunity for contemporary living is nearing completion.